All right, guys, here, public service announcement. When you're putting your 300-pound dirt bike in the back of your truck, make sure you tie down your ramp. Just saying. All right, when you secure your ramp, this is what it's going to look like. It's as easy as that.